opportunity knowing that I'm going to learn a lot more about Riyadh metro station. Out of all the STEM activities that I entered, this was one of my favorite because I'm going to learn about my city and their vision about building a sustainable city. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I really enjoyed it. I was given this amazing opportunity to participate in this workshop, and despite me having a background in coding and robotics, this was definitely new to me since it was about the metro system in Riyadh and so on. So I felt like I learned and was introduced to so many new things. So thank you so much for this opportunity.